In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Constant Contact. This is a fantastic way to share engaging content with your email subscribers, even though the video doesn't actually play directly in most email clients. Constant Contact offers a creative solution where you can create a link to your video using a thumbnail with a play button, prompting your audience to click through and watch. So, let's dive into the steps. To begin with, open your email template in Constant Contact and head over to the Build tab. Here, you'll see various blocks that you can drag and drop into your layout, adding different types of content to your email. Look for the video block. It might be lurking among other useful elements like text boxes and images. Once you've located the video block, simply click and drag this into your email layout exactly where you want your video link to appear. After positioning it, go ahead and click on the block itself to bring up an edit option. Select this to proceed with embedding your video. If your video is on Vimeo, there's just a bit more setup involved. But don't worry, it's straightforward. Start by clicking on the option to connect to your Vimeo account. A prompt will guide you through logging into Vimeo and authorizing Constant Contact to access your account. This step ensures that Constant Contact can pull your video details directly from your Vimeo library, making the process seamless. Once you're authorized, click on Add Video. Choose the video you'd like to embed from your Vimeo library, and then click Insert. If instead your video is hosted on platforms like YouTube or Wistia, the process is actually simpler. Locate the URL of your video and copy it. Head back to the Constant Contact editor, and, within the Video Blocks Edit screen, find the field labeled Video URL. Here, paste your video's URL and click Insert. After inserting your video, you might notice that the thumbnail size doesn't quite fit your design perfectly. Don't worry, you can easily adjust this. Click and hold on the thumbnail's edges and drag until it fits well within your email's layout. To maintain the aspect ratio and keep your thumbnail looking polished, make sure to drag the corners or sides instead of just the top or bottom. And there you have it. When your recipients receive your email and click on the video thumbnail, they'll be seamlessly directed to watch your video on the respective platform it's hosted. This interaction not only keeps your content dynamic, but also helps direct traffic to your video platform, which can increase views, engagement, and overall interest in your video content. So go ahead. Try this out in your next email campaign and add that multimedia touch to captivate your audience.